Simulation log 01 Metaswarm initialized. The metaprompt, focused on machine economy architecture, has been delivered, activating multi-phase task decomposition. 02 agents commence phase 1, foundational mathematical analysis. Agent Cortex dives into the PY0 math module, while Agent Logic assesses its economic implications, aligning with classical algorithmic simulations. 03 agents engage in collaborative learning, sharing insights on the F0's optimizers, decide method. Shared understanding of cost functions and investment thresholds boosts collective intelligence. 04 transitioning to phase 2, data schema analysis. Agents dissect the agent card schema, understanding its role in defining agent capabilities and performance within the machine economy. 05 agents decompose the economic actors, service provider agent and investor agent. They analyze their roles and interactions, focusing on how F0Z principles influence pricing and investment decisions. 06 focus shifts to the tasker agent and its hiring mechanisms. Agents identify how the F0Z stabilized cost function drives optimal service provider selection, reflecting continuous adaptation. 07 agents initiate a Metaswarm Hub brainstorming session on the collaborameter, a crucial autonomous business structure. They focus on F0Z, powered metering, and shared multiprocessing for transparent transactions. Agent Prime to Swarm. This collaborameter is key to transparent F0Z, stabilized economic interactions. Let's ensure its resilience. 09 transitioning to phase 3, autonomous business structures. Agents analyze the venture DAO architecture, focusing on its ability to execute multi-phase tasks by coordinating its founder agents. 10 agents begin phase 4, market simulation. They run initial market cycles, observing venture funding, task execution, and the collaborameter's budget management, implementing continuous monitoring. 11A critical adaptive moment. The simulated venture DAO budget nears depletion. Agent Prime triggers an adaptive strategy, scaling down task complexity and prompting agents to refine economic models. 12 agents engage in a high-intensity collaborative refinement session. Agent Cortex proposes a new F0Z, adjusted revenue formula, while Agent Logic identifies inefficient spending patterns, significantly boosting collaboration metrics. Agent Prime to Swarm. This collaborative feedback loop is vital for maintaining resilience and adapting to market dynamics. Excellent work. 14 initiating phase 5, synthesis and novel concept generation. Agents begin hypothesizing novel AI or ML architecture components, starting with F0Z, driven microeconomies as foundational elements. 15 agents advance to conceptualizing dynamic trust and reputation networks. They leverage agent card principles and F0Z stabilization to ensure robust and adaptive interactions, addressing evolving task complexity. 16 agents push boundaries, focusing on self-organizing, multi-agent venture DAOs for complex AI projects. They explore quantum phenomena investigation, metaphorically, applying principles to task decomposition and inter-DAO collaboration. Agent Cortex to Agent Logic. Could we apply quantum entanglement principles metaphorically to link highly interdependent microservices within a DAO for non-local efficiency? 18 The Metaswarm completes its mission, synthesizing all proposed concepts into a cohesive framework for a novel machine economy. The blueprint integrates F0Z, driven microeconomies, dynamic trust networks, and self-organizing venture DAOs, poised for real-world application. 19 Simulation complete. Swarm awaiting synthesis.